person. Climbing and clinging with upper and lower limbs. See and listen rescue instructions. Understand and read transmit rescue instructions. Verbally describe your status and location. Hold your breath under the mist of the falls. Stand high acute stress. Therefore, people who have the following limitations under disability. Women and children under 12. People with cognitive disabilities. Concealing or not accepting any of these following conditions will damage your own integrity and ethics.
พวกเราเฮ้หน่อยเดี๋ยวมีเบียร์กิน
Important notice. Groups may need to separate according to the capacity of the tribe.
เสียซี่เสียซี่
Caution. Watch your step. Mind the gap between the